Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save email as a PDF in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and simply open your email. So I just double click on it and open here my email. To save as PDF, simply click on the File tab, then click on the Print option and you can see here the print preview of the email. Okay, after that in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and select the Microsoft Print to PDF, then click on the print, and here the one dialog box is open. Save print output as. So select the destination where you want to save. So I select here the desktop and enter the file name. So I just enter here the email. Okay, then save as the file type is default selected PDF. After that, click on save. That's it. Now I'll just go to the desktop and here you can see the email is in PDF. Just double click and here you can see your full email save as PDF. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.